2017 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.